Hello, my dear students. I am Neeraj Kalra from USBC Jan Public School. Today I am going to introduce chapter number 4, linear equations in two variable in this video. So what is linear equation in two variables? In earlier classes you have studied linear equations in one variable. I am going to discuss some examples here. For example, x plus 1 equal to 0, that type of equation we have done in my 8th class or 7th classes. So in that cases we have to find the value of x. We will take the 1 on other side, x is equals to minus 1. Variable means unknown quantities. X is a variable, so you can check here in this is the equation y equation, because sign of equality is there and there are two sides, one is right side and one is left side, and this is called the variable. Now this is the linear equation in one variable. So I'm going to discuss some more. 2x plus 5 equals to 0. In that cases we will take 5 on the other side, it will become minus 5, and take 2 on in the denominator. We have done that type of operations in the 8th class. This was the equation, linear equation in one variable. If we are you have learned about you may also remember how to represent the solution on the number line. That type of question we have done in 8th class. Representation of x equal to minus 1 on the number line. We have drawn a line, and in the middle we have drawn a origin, or you can say 0, then minus 1, minus 2, that is 1, that is 2. That point represent x equals to minus 1. That type of question we have done in our previous classes. So in this class I am going to introduce linear equation in two variables. Two variables means the equations which are having two variables. For example, ax plus by plus c. Now you can see there are so many alphabets, but here I am using only two variables, x and y, a and b and c are constant. So x and y are the variable. What is the meaning of a variable? Suppose you are going to a shop and you want to buy a pen and a notebook. So you are asking for a notebook and a pen, so you have to pay the money. The cost of one notebook and the cost of one pen matter for you. So the cost of one notebook I am taking it as x, cost of one pen I am taking it as y. So it can be written as 2x 3y equal to 4. So that is called linear equation in two variables, in which you are using two variables. These are the two variables, x and y are the variables. Two variables. In my previous question you can check here, only one variable is used, and in this equation you can check there are two variables, x and y. So any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, here x and y are the variable, a, b, c are the real numbers. Why I am saying the real numbers? Why I am not saying the integers? Because a can be in the root, square root, cube root, or a can be in fraction, a can be in decimal. So that type of equations are called the linear equation in two variables. And one more thing is necessary, a and b can never be 0. If a is equal to 0, here you can check, if a is equal to 0 means if this value is 0, 0 multiplied by x plus by plus c equal to 0, this will become 0, by plus c left behind, so there is only one variable, so it will become linear equation in one variable. So it is necessary a and b can never be equal to 0. That is called the linear equation in two variables. And my second part of the chapter is solution of the linear equation. For the solution of the linear equation, as I have discussed solution of the linear equation in one variable. What was that? X plus 1 equal to 0. We are going to solve it. How we have solved it? We have taken 1 from left to right, it becomes negative and the value of x comes. Now in the two variable, how will we solve the linear equation in one variable? Has a unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution is there, only one answer is there. But if I am going to discuss the solution for the two variables, You can check here 2x plus 3y equal to 4. I can't find one solution in this case. If I am having one equation, if I am having a pair of linear equation, then I can find one solution. But here I can't find. There will be infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. How can we say that infinitely many solution? For example, you are having equation x plus y equal to 2. So here you can put the value of x by yourself. It can be 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 will become 2. It can be 3 minus 1, it also become 2. It can be 0 plus 2. It can be 2 plus 0. It can be 22 minus 20. It can be, you can take 54 minus 52. So you can put a number of values, n number of values in that, and you will get the answer as 2. So a linear equation in two variables must have infinitely number of solutions. So here I have written linear equation in one variable has a unique solution, and linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. And on graph it can be representing the representation of linear equation in two variables is always a straight line on a graph, and the linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So one more note is there, every point AB on line AB gives a solution x equals to A and y equals to B. For example, here I am going to discuss it. I am going to show one graph to you. You can check here. This is the graph of linear equation in two variable. I will discuss the method with the help of questions in exercise. So there are several points on the graph. You can check here -1, -5, 1, 5, 2, 10. When you substitute that values in the equation, it satisfies the equation. Satisfies means the left hand side and the right hand side of equation must be same. And if any point is there which doesn't satisfy the equation, it means this is not the solution. For example, 2, 1, it lies here, but it doesn't satisfy this line, so it will be not the solution. So here I have written that any point which does not lie on the line AB is not the solution of the equation. Now I am going to discuss the exercise questions with you, and it will be very easy for you to solve the question with the help of this introduction. So thank you very much for watching this introduction video.